Hello everyone, this is Hariharan. I am working as a firmware engineer at Innovations Technology. Let's see a working demo of our project.
ESP32 and LVGL project. So we are trying to demonstrate GUI design and UI components for the microcontroller, and right now we are using 2.8 inch touch screen display. We provide custom GUI design services. You can put any kind of graphics, logo, images and animations. So let us see what our UI components are available here. Next. We can also change the colors. So these can be very much helpful for if you are designing any 3D printers, anything related to any smart devices, IoT devices, gadgets. So login system and all the input texts can be customized as per your requirements and business logic. So we have a lot of options, sliders, buttons, push buttons, almost all the UI components we have available. Now in case if you have some kind of data loggers or industrial IoT devices, we can also use the graph modules and real-time plotting, all responsive graphs. We can also change these. These are animations. These animations can be displayed as per the requirements. So in case if you are doing any kind of communication equipment, these can be very much helpful. Custom dials, so voltage, current, watts, everything can be displayed, and these UI dials and components can be customized. In case if you have some kind of e-commerce or retail gadget and device where you want to create some kiosks and anything related to ATM kind of machines, these things can be very much helpful. Custom bitmaps, icons, everything can be designed. Change the color once. Blue color. Go to home page. So these are floating widgets and buttons that can be displayed over dynamically. So any kind of UIs and customizations are possible here. So this was the overall demo of 2.8 inch display. It was in light mode. So this is live running in ESP32 dev module, and we also have the similar thing with the dark mode. This is 2.4 inch display. Okay, thank you.